In the previous video, we have synced a couple of Shopify orders to Business Central. The next step would be creating sales documents. Now, that's another task that you can automate by using job queues and by scheduling them. For example, create sales documents every evening. But also in this case, I will run the process manually. So here from my Shopify shop cart, let's go to Related and to the order overview. So, and there you will see the Shopify orders. So the three first ones that we synced from Shopify in the previous video demonstration. So now I would like to create sales documents. Now, when creating sales documents, the fulfillment status is important. Orders that are not yet fulfilled, so that have the unfulfilled status, will be converted into sales orders. Because you would like to do the fulfillment, the shipping in Business Central, of course. And if you have a sales order, you can separate the shipping process from the invoicing process. You can instruct the warehouse people to do the picking, to post the warehouse shipment, and so on. So again, for unfulfilled orders, you need a sales order. But for fulfilled orders, so orders that are already shipped before you sync them to Business Central, there we don't need a sales order. So there we just need a sales invoice. So and that's why I've created a fulfilled order and two unfulfilled orders so that we can have a look at the different processing. All right, so let's go ahead. And I would like to fulfill these three Shopify orders, convert these three Shopify orders into Business Central sales documents. So I will click on Process and there Create Sales Documents. All right, there you go. And so like I just explained, for the first two lines, you can see that there is no sales order number. And for the third line, there is a sales invoice number. And now I can process these Shopify orders based on what they require. So for the first two lines, I first would like to ship, maybe instruct people in the warehouse to do the warehouse shipment, while for the third line, I just want to post the invoice post it in Business Central. You see, so that's very important when creating sales documents. So the fulfillment status will result in sales orders or sales invoices, as you can see here.